Okay, so the very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start just with a simple 4 patch. So I took my blocks and I sewed 2 together, and I put them in a very, very simple 4 patch.
Oh, nice.
And if you don't know how to do this, it is a really great trick of the eye, but I would recommend that we use this rotating mat. And Kimberbell has the best one because it's square. So we've got square, square, and that is genius, right?
Yes.
So what I want to do is I want to line my seams along this line right here, and then make sure you line your seams up. Then I'm going to shift it over so that they are also lined this way.
Genius.
Okay, so we are going to take, and I will give you the measurements on this. We are actually going to cut this. Have you tried this Fomore ruler?
No.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to cut too.
That's a cutter.
Oh yeah, rotary blade. You know, I'm gonna cut 1 inch this way. Then I'm gonna, don't be sorry for correcting me when then I'm gonna slide this around. That
looks like it's butter.
Yeah, it cuts like butter. I'm gonna slide this and I'm gonna cut 1 inch.
Don't you know my rule about 1 inch?
Well, you just wait, Kyle.
Oh boy.
Yeah, you're a little nervous, aren't you?
I am.
Okay, I'm gonna take here, I'm gonna slide this. I'm gonna cut 1 inch from this side, so I've cut 4 sides.
Yeah, if I had to pick that up and move it around,
oh yeah,
it would not.
You're sunk already, right from the get-go, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now I've got to make sure that everything's lined up.
Yeah.
And I'm going to make 1 more cut.
So you do 4 cuts.
4 cuts from the center. So I'm going to cut 1 inch from the center, 1 inch from the center, 1 inch from the center.
You're
okay.
Like a genius.
Well, look how easy that little 4 patch is.
I mean, you
did not have to sew that. Now this is the next step.
Okay.
And this is where you kind of have to just keep it rotated. Pick your first one up, pick your second one up, first one to the second one, and you just move these around.
Oh.
Clockwise, right?
Okay.
Do you see your block come together?
Yes.
So easy. So now I'm going to hand this off to you.
Oh,
we're using a baby lock today, and you know that I've changed it to the Quilters 02 on the machine.
Look at that.
All right. Look, we have that. I'm going to just finger press it, and I'm going to hand you the next one.
That's all?
That's all you do. That's all there is to it.
Huh. That reminds me of like the 9 patch.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just straight seams.
Yep.
So we would just continue this on, sew this together, and you're done.
That's it?
That's it.
And where does that block look like?
So then all of a sudden, that's your center of the block, right? I mean, you're completely done.
No, because my next block will be here, and then here,
right.
and then here.
Then you're going to put 4 together,
and
then you're going to turn them. That's the whole block. That's all you do. I mean, this is a Dateline show because you can just straight seam, sew this all together. So yeah, you literally make 4 of them and lay those together. We have great directions on the downloadable pattern. Fantastic directions. They're color-coded, Kyle, so no one can mess up.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, they are. This is really, really fun.